Okay, so just tell us from the beginning what happened and then to the end. Go ahead.
Yeah, so basically, I was in my car, I was driving down, the cop pulled me over, came up to my window, he told me, I got you speeding, so he gave me a ticket. After that, I called up my buddy Ricardo here, and he told me all about emotions, how... Hello?
Yeah, go ahead.
Yeah, so basically, I got a court date. I got a hearing first, filed my motions. I went to the hearing. The judge, well, obviously he had no idea what the motions meant, and he just made up a bunch of bullshit. And of course, that was just the hearing, so I asked for a trial. And after that, I went to the trial. The prosecuting attorney and the cop showed up. I researched a little bit about the ticket I got, and there's a case law that happened of Fitzwater versus Supreme Court, the Hawaii Supreme Court, and basically he said that Fitzwater said that the cop's speedometer, there's no proof that the cop's speedometer was calibrated at the time, so he won through that. The Supreme Court gave him the case, and well, I used that case law. I said when the prosecuting attorney, when the judge asked the prosecuting attorney how fast I was going, I objected. I said there's no foundation that the speedometer on the cop's vehicle was calibrated at the time, as of the Fitzwater case, and right then and there, the judge dismissed it.
So, right there, the judge just said case dismissed, right?
Yeah, very much.
That's awesome, dude. You know, I want to congratulate you for doing the stuff that you did, you know. And not many people want to fight their tickets, and you know, but in the end, you know, let me ask you, now that you've done this, what do you think about law now?
I think, to be honest, when I thought of tickets from back then, I would think, oh, you got to pay for it, you know. But now, like, I learned all this shit, you know, through you, and looked up lots of laws and everything, and I realized how easy it is to fight the ticket, and how tickets are just ways to make people who have no idea about laws or anything pay money to the government.
Yeah.
And pretty much, like, from now on, you know, every ticket I'm going to go to court for, I'm not just going to write some shitty letter and send it in. I'm just going to go to court, you know, and tell that judge everything about, you know, what I learned, and object whenever I don't like something, you know.
There you go. So, now what do your friends say that you beat the ticket?
They're amazed. Like, they had no idea I was able to do all that shit. They have no idea about law, because, you know, they don't teach civics or anything in school anymore. So they're all like, hey, you should represent me in court and everything. But I was like, yeah, I can. Yeah, but
yeah, they won't let you, because then they'll start losing more money.
yeah.
Well, you know what, that's good, man. And once again, I congratulate you, dude, and I'm gonna post this up. Yeah, I'm gonna post this up. Go ahead.
Alright. I just want to say thanks for everything.
No problem, dude.
And everything, dude.
Yeah, no problem, man. You know, that's what people like me are here for, just to show what their beliefs are, and you know, if they work, they work. And so far, they've been working. But want to thank you once again, dude, and for fighting the system and standing up for your rights. And I'm gonna post this up, and I'm gonna stop the video right now. Okay.